ये magazines वगैरह ये सब, this has all been part of my life. It's
Yeah,
I
of
mean, come
course.
on, who doesn't know India today? Came to know the next day when my nephew
Yeah.
turned around and told me, have you seen the phone? Have you checked it? I said, no, क्यों? क्या हुआ? He said, you've gone viral, woman. I'm like, what? मैं सिर्फ इतना कहूँगी कि I didn't get appropriate work after that, and I didn't think it was relevant to go back to just do anything.
Yeah.
Sanjay Leela Bhansali has taken dance to another level. Whether it is
True.
Khumar by Deepika or by Alia in her, but अगले दिन सुबह मैंने तो छोटा सा क्लिप शेयर किया था, दैट ऑल्सो मेरे सिंपल फोन से लिखना हुआ छोटा क्लिप, एंड समथिंग हैपेंस एंड देन यू वंडर ये क्या हो रहा है, ये कैसे हो रहा है, एंड देन यू से यू पिंच योरसेल्फ एंड से कि हाँ ये हो रहा है. मेरे ऊपर वाला ने मुझे एक बोलते ना एक विंडो दी है, एक छोटी सी खिड़की दी है जहां से मैं अपनी मुंडी बाहर निकाल के बोल सकती हूँ हेलो वर्ल्ड आई एम हियर. हाँ जी.
Hanji, so welcome to India Today, Kalpana ji. How are you?
I'm fine, Riya. How are you?
Good. So, few days been for you, active messages, calls. You are all over social media. How's it all been for you?
Very unreal. I'm just so. वो कहते हैं ना sometimes something happens and then you wonder कि ये क्या हो रहा है, ये कैसे हो रहा है, and then you say you pinch yourself and say कि हाँ ये हो रहा है, and this entire thing has made me feel like, you know, when God decides to smile, na, no one can stop that. No one can. And whether it is the people around me who manifested this, or if the world in general decided that it's time to give this 70-year-old her joy, it's not little by any chance. It's the world.
Yeah.
It means the world to me. It really does. I am just so humbled right now. Sana, I can't even begin to tell you. मैंने कभी जिंदगी में नहीं सोचा बाबा. I'm talking to her and I have goosebumps. I mean, I just go to attend a wedding. They are very, very dear friends of the family. They're like my family. उनका पहले बेटे का wedding है ये, and wedding था ये, sorry. And I तो 100% I was sure I was not going because एक तो it's far.
Yeah.
I've been to Siliguri plenty of times as an artist when I was younger, but this for me now is far. So I told the family I can't come, and they were like, "नहीं नहीं नहीं, आपने तो आना ही है." But before telling me anything, they had already connected to my nephew, who is, I mean, the world knows that I call him my son.
Right.
He is a son. He's my sister's son. We live together. And he said, "You will go. I will take you. You will come." And he planned this entire trip. So सारा क्रेडिट मेरे हिसाब से उस इंसान को जाता है जो इस चीज को करने में सबसे पहले खड़ा था. If he hadn't turned around and said yes, and if he hadn't manipulated this entire thing, working out the schedule, because he's a working man, so for him he has to manipulate things accordingly. But he turned around and arranged everything and said, "We are going." I said, "मुझे संभालना मुश्किल है." He said, "कर लूँगा." And there you are. I go to this wedding. I'm participating in everything, just sitting around in one corner, because all the children were collected around the stage, and you know, I'm doing halla gulla. And I said, "नहीं मैं दूर बैठ के देखती हूँ," because when you have done so many songs and blah blah, you know कि क्या हो रहा है. So there is this आजकल के बच्चों का जो एक contagious एक जो है ना vibe,
Energy, बिल्कुल.
yeah, energy, it's wow. So मैं दूर से देख रही थी, तो already I was feeling it. And it was quite far from where we were sitting. And then all of a sudden, the bridegroom's father, who's my brother, Manjuna, he walked up to me. He said, "Chalo." I'm like, huh? Then my kid sister tells me, my nephew's mother tells me that whatever you do, do it well. Do it with your heart. And then this young man croaks and says, "Achhe se karna akka." Okay. I go there, and all around the stage there were these children, enthusiastic children, boisterous children, confetti and air, वो क्या बोलते हैं वो जो soap bubbles and क्या blowers, and I'm like मैं क्या कर रही हूँ? And then all of a sudden they just put me on that stage and they played the song, and I do not know. It was like as if I was possessed. I just took off. And it was like, my good Lord, what did I do? I finished it and I was still not sure कि मैंने क्या किया क्या नहीं किया. Like complete, still I'm in a daze. But when I came down, everybody was so full of love and affection and everything.
Yeah.
And when I went up to my sister and her son, they were like, brilliant. I'm like, hey, really? Because I didn't know. But वो तो कहानी है, वो तो हुआ. But अगले दिन सुबह मैंने तो छोटा सा क्लिप शेयर किया था. दैट ऑल्सो मेरे सिंपल फोन से लिखना हुआ छोटा क्लिप. एंड ये क्या हो गया? जो जो भी हुआ है सना, eternally grateful. I'm eternally grateful. I'm so blessed. I'm so जितना मैं थैंक यू बोलूंगी उतना कम. मैं समझती हूँ कि पूरी दुनिया ने खड़े होकर मेरे साथ में मैनिफेस्ट किया कि इसको एक और मौका दे ही दो. And then upstairs must have heard everybody, and he must have said Tathastu.
How sweet, how sweet.
I'm grateful, very grateful.
Yeah, I think it's also the magic of social media. I think for sure that people
10%, 110%. मुझे मालूम भी नहीं था कि इतना relevant है social media बाबा. देखो मैं अभी आपको मैं एकदम सच बता रही हूँ. मैं एक सिंपल फोन यूज करने वाली औरत हूँ. नजर आता है, मैं देखती हूँ. मुझे सोशल मीडिया में एक्चुअली मैं जो भी पोस्ट वगैरह करती हूँ दिल से करती हूँ, जितना मेरे समझ में आता है करती हूँ. उसको कैसे करेक्ट करते हैं, उसमें वर्ड्स कैसे लिखते हैं, उसको खूबसूरत कैसे बनाते हैं, मुझे नहीं मालूम बाबा. मेरा सब बेसिक है.
But Kalman ji also tell me, जब गाना स्टार्ट हुआ, what did you feel? क्योंकि वो आपका गाना इतने साल पहले of course आपने परफॉर्म किया है. स्टेप्स याद थे कि नहीं? Like what was happening in your mind?
I did everything instinctively, बेटा. मतलब कौन प्रिपेयर रहता है? I mean, come on, I'm 69 and a half. In July, I'll be 70.
Wow.
At 69 and a half, you don't sit around rehearsing or remembering anything. मुझे उन्होंने रिक्वेस्ट किया लड़के के डैडी ने, और मैंने हाँ बोल दी. और मैं 2 लोगों ने मुझे बस ये बोल के भेजा करेक्ट दिल से. मुझे मेरे गाने के मतलब जो भी वर्ड्स होते हैं मुझे हमेशा याद रहते हैं. I like humming. But I went on that stage and this is what's going to happen and this is what I did. मैंने जब लोगों के वीडियोस देखे तब मेरे को समझ में आया कि ओह ऐसा भी किया था मैंने, ओह ऐसा भी किया था मैंने. All I remember is that there was a lot of confetti on the floor. So mercifully I don't wear slippers or shoes and dance. I've done barefoot. So I could feel those stuck to my feet, you know. So actually it looked like I'm gliding. I'm not gliding, it's a confetti on my feet. And I'm like, ऐसे चल रही जैसे कि नहीं होते हैं वो जैसे स्लाइड करते हैं वैसे.
Right.
Yeah. I remember the verse. I remember the music. It's been part of my life. How can I forget? I did it and I came down and the kids were so cheerful. People were so happy. But that the world was happy for me, I came to know the next day when my nephew turned around and told me, have you seen the phone? Have you checked it? I said, no, kyun? Kya hua? He said, you've gone viral, woman. I'm like, what? Really? He said, check her. And then what have you?
What was the decision that, and when did it happen that you decided to move ways and quit the industry or take a break from the industry, if I can say?
I'm glad you're using such correct sentences. हाँ, यही तो कमाल है ना, India today. Darling, कोई quit नहीं करता है बेटा. उसको signals मिलते हैं. When I did Hum Saath Saath Hai Na, I wasn't too happy with the situation outside the industry. Like I was doing a lot of television. Television, one of the initial people who started television was me. I did Kashish donkeys years ago. And for a wonderful director called Meena Vaishnavi for Doordarshan, CPC Delhi. After that, my career started. Whatever happened was apni jagah pe. But I was doing well in television also. But then like a lot of things changed, even that changed. Then it all became a lot of, you know, the same people, the same cliques. I was not part of any clique, neither in the industry or television. So I wasn't happy with the kind of work I was getting. So what was the point in continuing? So I have a friend. And at that point of time, he owned a restaurant here in Dubai. And I came to work for him and I was happy. Because there was no worry as such. The family approved. They also knew him. Everybody was happy. I came here to work. It kept me busy. And also, they both देखते time also went by, and this country has given me so much, so
Right.
much. Yes, I came here with my mother, my sister, her son, and they have. When you get welcomed the way these people have welcomed us, na, it's unbelievable. Because see, एक होता है feeling of security, feeling of peace, feeling of safety, and your family is happy around you. My mom was
Yeah.
happy, so I settled happily. अब यहीं पे रहते थे. Then my sister also was working here. Then my sister's son was studying here. He did extremely well. Everything is okay. So जाने की कोई बात ही नहीं हुई. And then it's like, all of a sudden everybody's probably thought कि कल्पना तो जा चुकी है, वो काम नहीं करेगी. Jumping to conclusions is part of life. You can jump into about everybody and anybody. But at least एक बात पूछो तो सही. At least ask. Anyway, I don't want to go into all that. मैं बोलते ना जब आज वक्त अच्छा है तो लेट अस नॉट गो बैक इनटू दैट. मैं सिर्फ इतना कहूंगी कि आई डिडंट गेट अप्रोप्रिएट वर्क आफ्टर दैट, एंड आई डिडंट थिंक इट वाज रेलेवेंट टू गो बैक टू जस्ट डू एनीथिंग. बीच में एक बार मैंने रिक्वेस्ट किया था वाया पीपल कि बट समथिंग अप्रोप्रिएट ना. मैं नहीं बोलती कि मुझे हीरोइन बनना है या ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं बोल रही हूँ, बट एटलीस्ट मेरी उम्र की रिस्पेक्ट करते हुए कुछ अच्छा मिल जाता तो मैं कर लेती. इररेस्पेक्टिव ऑफ टेलीविजन, फिल्म, कुछ भी नहीं आया तो मैं यही खुश थी. Then of course COVID decided to visit the world. So where was I going to be? So उस दौरान मैं रिटायर हो गई because I was 60 plus. So 60 plus यहाँ पे कहाँ है भाई, यहाँ पे कहीं भी. It's a little difficult. हाँ. Then now of course I'm leading a quiet life. But then all of a sudden in these past 48 to 72 hours मेरी जिंदगी में हल्का मच गया है. And also in a roundabout way I'm even grateful for Dhurandhar.
Yes, I was about to ask about it.
यार कहाँ से आया? जो बच्चे उस शादी में डांस कर रहे थे, मेरे साथ खड़े होके अपने अपने जगहों पे भी नाच रहे थे, उनको कहाँ से याद आया? उनके माँ बाप को मेरा आना सही है, समझ में आता है, उन्होंने देखा होगा, सुना होगा. ये बच्चे हैं, they started, यार हद हो गई. I mean, fantastic. I mean, they're supposed to be the Gen Z, no?
Yes.
Isn't that what they are called?
Absolutely.
मेरे यार, मेरे अपने हैं.
Amazing, amazing. I think Dhurandhar तो आप देख नहीं पाए होंगे. It was banned in Dubai, so I think you should catch up someday. Netflix पे आ गया, of course.
I will. I God willing, I will.
And then Judge how Ranveer performed in your song.
Well, my एकदम कभी ना एकदम ऐसे हो जाती हूँ मैं. There's so much to say and so much to take in, but it's all good. All good.
Right. But of course, you're there, Kalpana ji. But have you been following the kind of films that are being made? And do you watch films? Do you look at what new actors are doing right now?
Yes, I do. Not all of it, but most of it. दुनिया बदलती है, हमारी इंडस्ट्री भी बदली है, बहुत कुछ बदला है. Things have changed and reached levels that I didn't even comprehend it's possible. But I'm happy because growth is good. And by the looks of it, there's a lot of amazing professionals who have come in. These absolutely accurate casting agents who cast people correctly, who provide the required artists with work also, and the producers and the directors with the kind of artists they want also. It all seems very organized. It all seems much more क्या बोलते हैं, online, everything. अच्छी बात है. हम उस जमाने के हैं जहाँ हमको डायरेक्टली प्रोड्यूसर फोन करता था, हमको डायरेक्टर हमको नरेट करता था, हम चले जाते थे, कॉस्ट्यूम बनना ही जाती थी और डायरेक्टर से यस करेक्ट, सिंपल स्टेप्स, सेट पे चलेगा. बट अभी तो मैंने सुना है रिहर्सल्स भी होती हैं, कॉस्ट्यूम रिहर्सल्स भी होती हैं, जो भी है मुबारक हो भाई. जब तरक्की अगर है और उससे सभी खुश हैं तो मे गॉड ब्लेस एवरीबॉडी. द ओनली थिंग इज कहीं छोटी सी जगह मुझे मिल जाए तो वाह क्या बात है.
But any recent film or any actor whose performance that kind of just impressed you?
You know something, Sana, I'll tell you. मुझे ना, I have always had a weakness for hard work, sincere work. I'm not a great one for stardom type का मुझे कभी भी नहीं रहा. I've always believed that if you're a sincere work person, अगर आपकी सच्चाई है आपके काम में, वो नजर आएगा. And that is applicable to dance also. Dance में मेहनत सब भी करती है.
बिल्कुल.
All of them, all the girls, all the men. Oh my good Lord, amazing. But I only know one thing, that there are some, who do a fabulous, fabulous job of the dances. As a director,
Yeah.
Sanjana Bansali has taken dance to another level. Whether it is
True.
Khumar by Deepika or by Alia in her film, these girls ने अपने कलेजा निकाल के उन्होंने उस गाने पे रख दिया. वो कैसे? It's because of how he wanted it done, how he
Hmm.
got it done, how he thought about it, what was his concept, how he created this entire field. Nothing happens in isolation. It has got to be team. It's got to be togetherness. It's got to be everybody coming together and having the same kind of end-to-end vibe. This is one aspect. The other aspect is that अभी क्या हो गया ना, there's a lot of detailing in terms of costumes. हमारे टाइम में भी
Hmm.
होता था, जितना हमारे टाइम का था वो हमको मिलता था. अभी बैठ के मैं उस टाइम में ऐसा नहीं था, ये वो हो गया. Let's talk of today. Today they're doing a
Yeah.
remarkable job, amazing job. Even the youngsters.
Hmm.
Oh my God! Whether it is Shraddha, whether it is Ananya, wow! All of them superb. Janvi, अरे वाह
Yeah.
कितना अच्छा डांस करती है. So for me it is like there's so much to learn and so little time. Come on guys, wake up.
But it's also very interesting, Harmana ji. I mean, of course, now people have kind of broadened their minds towards art and towards dance. When you started out, tell me how was the situation? Because you also picked up dance, which was kind of looked down upon in the society at some point. Tell me about your own struggle of getting into acting and dance, and especially the kind of support you got from your parents.
If I say I didn't struggle, then that'll be a big mistake. But when my career started, even then, everything just kept happening. I was shooting for Manokamna. Dev Saab contacted me on the same set of Manokamna and offered me Lootmar. And he didn't
Okay.
turn around and give me any long, tall stories or any rubbish. He simply said, Simple is the heroine of this song. I want you there to balance it out. Will you do it for me? I said, he said, there is no it's a yes. And you know him, na? He's very contagious, very, so charming and so kind. I said,
Hmm.
yes. On the sets of Lootmar, I signed Kudrat, Chodo Sanam. I signed Sajan Ki Saheli. It was a Nautak Mangta Ki Pausen Mangta is a song, beautiful song with Notanji. Then I signed Hari Om Hari for the
Hmm.
Sagas. Then I did the title song of Bombay Ka Maharaja. On that one set, I signed 6 movies. One of my most favorite ones also I signed. Chodo Sanam Kahe Ka Gam with Vinod Saab for Kudrat. So
Right.
it was like, it just happened. And everybody said, यार तुम वहाँ पे शूटिंग कर रही हो, वहाँ पे तुम लीडिंग लेडी हो, राजकिरण साहब के साथ शूटिंग कर रही हो, एंड तुम यहाँ पे डांसर हाँ बोल रही हो, क्या है तुमको? आई सेड नहीं, वो भी मैंने नहीं मालूम, मतलब मालूम किया, मैंने हाँ बोल दी. ये भी मैंने मालूम नहीं किया, मैंने हाँ बोल दी. मुझे काम करना है. एंड इट वर्कड फॉर मी. It
Right.
was, yeah. And Lotmar was my first dance number. And
Hmm.
around the same time, Helen G was quitting. So everything just worked. That's all.
Yeah.
Nothing was
Yeah.
manipulated or planned. Again,
But were you a
yes.
trained dancer, like, or you just
No,
loved
no, no, no,
dancing?
no, 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 no.
Oh, wow.
I didn't know. Very no sob stories happening here. I didn't have enough money to study too much. So, but I didn't have enough money to go for a dance class either.
Hmm.
But it was all good. Nothing to complain about. I did instinctively, and it worked well for me.
Yeah. And your
Again,
family, Kalpana
yes,
ji?
they were very
Yeah.
supportive,
Hmm.
very extremely supportive. My parents were supportive. See, Babu, simple story of the matter is we needed the money. My work provided it. I have
Hmm.
no regrets whatsoever. And
Yeah.
at the age of 70, I'm not going to go back looking at my childhood, but it was well needed and well received. So there you
Absolutely
go.
amazing. And Hum Saath Saath Hai, because you also mentioned getting offers from reality shows. Of course, Kunika recently did Big Boss, and she's become this another viral star. Are you in touch with any of the Hum Saath Saath Hai team? Because Salman is also someone who's helped out so many other people in the industry. Was there a moment when you wanted to maybe call him?
No, I haven't called anybody because not that I think it's wrong. ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है. But दुबई इतनी भी बड़ी नहीं है कि आपको अगर मुझे हेल्प करना है तो आप मुझे ढूंढ नहीं सकते हो. ऐसा है नहीं. And there is a difference between wanting to do something and reaching out to somebody कि मुझे मेरे लिए ये कर दो. I think if I deserve it and if I'm God's child, then He will look after me. I'm not going to go looking for somebody to tell that person कि भाई please मैं भी हूँ. नहीं. If you are an aware person, you are aware of my existence. And if you think that I deserve it, you will get across to me. And if you didn't, which means I didn't deserve it, we'll leave it at that. I won't blame you. Because blame games के लिए वक्त नहीं है. There isn't enough time. And I don't believe in negativity of any kind. कि इसने क्यों किया, उसने क्यों किया. I won't bother. अगर किसी ने सक्सेस पाई है, उसकी नसीब का था, उसका टाइम था. अगर बिग बॉस में मुझे जाना है, तो मुझे बुलावा आएगा, मैं चली जाऊंगी. अगर नहीं आया तो कुछ और आ जाएगा. एवरीबॉडी, सबका लिखा हुआ है. वक्त से पहले ना मुझे कुछ मिल सकता है, ना वक्त के बाद मेरे हिस्से का किसी को मिल सकता है.